Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, part of the service delivery team here at Appdome. So who is Appdome? Appdome helps mobile developers and cyber pros deliver on the toughest problems in mobile app security. And we do it fast. Here's a question for you. Do you need to prevent hackers from figuring out a way to communicate with your API? I assume you do, so I'm going to share with you an easy way to add mobile bot defense from right inside your mobile app without changing your existing WAF or infrastructure. It's called Appdome Shared Secrets. Shared Secret is a way of fingerprinting legitimate traffic coming from the mobile app. Shared Secret provides a watermark reference to your backend network to ensure that it is communicating with a legitimate mobile app. It allows you to identify valid requests and evaluate, allow, or deny requests based on the presence of the correct watermark. Here are my top 3 reasons to prevent mobile bots. Number 1. Prevent untrusted requests to the server backend, WAF/API. Number 2. Protect against the DDoS attack by rejecting requests without the proper shared secret. And number 3. Block requests or connections requests from malicious botnets. There you go, 3 of the top reasons you should prevent malicious bots. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to prevent malicious bots, have a look at Appdome. Appdome is an automated build system for mobile app defense. Our product delivers secure communication into Android, iOS apps in the CI/CD pipeline in seconds. No code, no SDK, and no server required. If you found this video useful, please share it with a colleague or friend. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay ahead of the attackers and hackers that go after your mobile app. Be safe and keep your mobile app and users safe too. Thank you for watching.